Welcome to the Complete WordPress Website Business Course, where you'll learn all the skills it takes to be a master WordPress consultant. Use your newfound expertise to create beautiful, modern websites for clients and create recurring income through website hosting, care, and maintenance plans. I'm your instructor, Greg Davis, and along with my partner, Rob Percival, I'll be leading you through more than 20 hours of video instruction and practical project-based learning. I've been building websites for clients for more than 20 years and working with WordPress exclusively since 2006. A professional snowboard instructor for the past 25 years, I've achieved the highest recognition in the industry, becoming a member of the American National Team of Snowboard Instructors for 2 4-year terms, and I've created curriculum and teaching systems for our national body that certifies instructors. Through my experience teaching and coaching, I've developed a natural and easy-to-follow presentation style and a high level of expertise in creating teaching systems for students to learn while having fun and mastering skills. In this course, I've created a comprehensive and fun series of chapters that will prepare you for all aspects of a WordPress website business and consultancy. I created this course for anyone seeking to take advantage of the great demand for WordPress experts, but without learning to code or use programming languages to get results. By the end of the course, you'll be able to use free and inexpensive tools to create modern websites for clients and yourself, as well as support those sites and clients with website care plans and consulting for ongoing recurring revenue. In this course, you'll set up several website hosting environments where you'll build more than 10 real-world websites. While building your own projects, you'll learn how to dig into the inner workings of WordPress to become an expert at managing and customizing your websites. From hosting and servers, third-party WordPress themes and plugins, security, backups, and performance monitoring, to specific functions like interactive forms, email and communications, and e-commerce systems, you'll finish this course with all the skills you need to confidently run your website design and management business. I designed this course for the entrepreneur who wants to be able to master WordPress systems and building blocks to create websites for themselves and clients, but doesn't want to tackle coding and programming languages. By leveraging what other developers have created in an open source environment like WordPress, you'll be able to create and manage the most sophisticated website systems currently being built. I keep up with trends and news in the WordPress community, and the course gets continuous updates and revisions as the state of the industry changes. Check out all the details in the course description and peruse the free preview videos to get an idea of what the course will be like. I look forward to seeing you inside. Let's get started building your WordPress skills into a lucrative business.